Yo, 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 what up, bromies? Welcome to Primo's Garden. I'm your boy Primo314. Checking in, give y'all an update on the 4x4. I did harvest. I didn't get video of it, but I did harvest 3 of the grandpa's stash. They are currently drying in the dry tent. But let's check these out. This is the Whitechapel, and it's just stacking beautifully. I'm gonna give it another couple weeks, maybe a week actually. This one is just stacking so good. Bud size is just, man. I'm glad it didn't turn into one whole bud. It kind of stacked on top of each other. That's what I was looking for. This light is crazy, man. Look at this. It's beautiful, beautiful. Like I said, I might got another week at the most. It is one plant in particular in this tent that I'm not really proud of. We got 5 of the permanent markers there. All 5 of these permanent markers. And I did triple up 3 of my clones for the permanent marker. They're in this pot right here. Looking at my clones, seeing anything going on. This one right here is just, I don't know. I had the heater on, so I'm thinking maybe it got burned by some heat and just never recovered. So what I'm gonna do is probably gonna have to get rid of this because it's just, look at these. These is perfect. It's exact same, exact same clones, the same plant. These are fine though. No deficiencies, nothing. It's just this one. I guess it got caught in the heat, the fire. It's a little too hot for us, so we're gonna get rid of it. Be a good time to take some clones real quick, so gonna do that. Show y'all my process of taking clones. Now, when I first started taking clones, I made it really, really complicated, and I killed a lot more than I actually was able to keep. So I just I switched it up a little bit. Cut at the base, and most of my clones are a little leggy, but that's okay because I want them to have, some stability, I do kind of shave them all the way off just so that the leaves aren't touching other leaves inside of the container. And what I have here is just a mason jar of Rootwise Micro Complete. I do have another container over there. It's got some recharge. So I'm kind of comparing the both of them to see which one is more effective, but either one will do just fine, to be honest. I just like the organic feeling I get when I use Rootwise, I guess. It being living soil and everything I'm using. It just kind of goes with it. But yeah, just taking all the bottom stuff. I'm gonna get rid of this whole plant is gonna be out of here. So just taking what I can. It's not like it was an unhealthy plant. It just got a little bit too hot and the leaves just never recover, and I just don't want to fight with it. So I'm just gonna take some clones and go ahead and get rid of this girl. Now, this camera does fall, so y'all get your laughs in, because this should happen like 3 times. But I don't know. I guess a cord was stuck or some shit. I don't know. But grabbing some gloves because I should have had the gloves on in the beginning. But I'll be high, man. These fucking gloves is tight. Shit. Making sure the cameras are good. Should have checked the damn cable, but there goes the damn camera.
Good job.
All good. It only happens like 2 more times, so it's all good.
You big dummy.
There she blows. Oh man, I was high as fuck, bro. Straight up. Yeah, I wasn't taking that out, man. I just said fuck it. Y'all see everything good and the bad, man. I ain't hiding shit, bro. Y'all got a specific way y'all take clones, bro? Go ahead and comment below, man. Let me know. Let me know if I'm doing something or not doing something. I like to learn too, bro. Still learning. So sad to see you go, but I ain't want to fight with you, so we good. Do a little experiment, see which one is better, see which one is more effective, I guess, growth-wise, but pretty cool. Got my clones for the next round. It's gonna be in the Mars Hydro tent. Check it out. We're gonna have a clone to harvest video in the Mars Hydro tent. I'm also gonna go ahead and finish these ladies out in the Vivosun tent, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Come on and grow with me. Stay tuned. Peace out.